Hey tubers, I got a 96 Ford F-150 here with the inline 6 300 engine. I was kind of hoping you could help me out here. I got a mysterious whistling kind of air noise coming from under the hood. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear it. I'm gonna pop the hood here. Alright. Okay, so yeah, this is just from my cell phone. I don't know how well you can hear. Seems like it's coming from back here around this area. Just like a whistling noise, like, I don't know, here. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, anyways, if you could hear it, I don't know if you guys have any ideas what it might be. Just shoot me a comment, let me know. And yeah, thanks, bye.